Welcome to Canara Bank Fund Transfer Tutorial to Own Account. Open canarabank.com in your web browser, then click on Net Banking from the top right menu bar. Then select your login type to go to the login page. Enter your login credentials, then select Login. From the home page, go to the Fund Transfer section. Select Own Account, then select your debit and credit accounts. Enter the transfer amount with purpose, then click on Transfer. Verify once again with the user ID, then click on Confirm to complete the process. Enter your transaction password, then click on Submit to authenticate the transaction. Congratulations! Fund transfer to own account through net banking is successful.